R3 leak repair. This is a Rheem R410A unit, an older unit, and I'll go through step by step exactly how to do it. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is open it up. You can see it's the R3 leak repair. This is from High Side Chemicals. First thing we want to do is we want to take our yellow line, and I'm going to flip it around, mainly because of the Schrader valve. So I'm going to take this, flip it around, put my Schrader on this side, like that. Then I'm going to take the other side without the Schrader insert on it. I'm going to go ahead and get my other line ready. This is going to go on the other side. But the first thing you want to do, get all that ready, and then go ahead and hook your high side up. Make sure your gauges are closed. Alright, now I'm going to hook the high side up. But it looks like it's sealed now. It's completely sealed. Alright. So the next thing you want to do on this is take your yellow side, take that cap off. The one that does not have the Schrader valve in it. That's why I flipped it around. I'm going to hook that up. One thing you want to make sure is that you do not cross thread. You can't cross thread here. You got to take your time. Make sure that the thread's on really good. Not too tight, just snug. Just make sure that's snug. You're going to take this cap off. Same thing on this side. The one that does not have the Schrader valve goes on here. You got to make sure it's snug. You can't cross thread. Alright? As long as it's snug, you're good to go. Alright, then you take your low side with the Schrader valve and hook it up to your low side. Alright, I've got that in it. Now that I've got that in it, I'm going to take, you're not going to see anything, you're going to see your pressure on your high side. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to open this up. I'm going to open the high side, and I'm going to let it feed that stop leak in. It's feeding it in. I'll take it and shake it sometimes a little bit. You don't have to do that, but you can see it pulls it through almost immediately. On R22, R410A, it'll clear it quick. So either one of them, you can do it the same way, whether you use an R10 or 410A. All I did was just open that, boom, it's completely gone that quick. Alright, now I'm going to take it back loose. When you're finished, what you're going to do, you're going to take your low side. Go ahead and take this low side off. Alright, sometimes you get a little bit of blow back through here, but you see I didn't have anything through that one. Alright, I'm completely done. Now, take it back off. Turn these back around. Take all this, turn these back around. That back up just like it went before. You have to switch these back around. Take your low side, put it back on. Go ahead and hook your yellow back like you had it. Now you see, I've still got my high side pressure. I don't have anything on my low side. Alright, I'm going to set this. Set it right here. Now I'm going to hook my gauges back up. And now I have my normal pressure. There's my normal pressure. You see it's a little bit, I'm at about a 37 degree coil on this one. So about 60 psi. But that's everything you need to do the stop leak and die. Just remember to turn it around, make sure that the Schrader valves are reversed on those two lines, and you'll be fine. And that's it. At the end of the process, what I'd like to do is take the two caps that came off of the R3 take both of these because they're both brand new caps. They both have O-rings in them, and you can see the sealant inside of them. And I take both of these caps and I go ahead and replace their old caps when I'm finished with the job to make sure that it's totally secure.